Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting luxury camper vans of the year, the 2025 Dodge Luxury Camper Van. This van is where modern design, premium comfort, and road trip readiness come together in a seriously impressive package. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Dodge Camper features a bold yet aerodynamic design. The front end showcases sleek LED headlights, a sculpted grille with subtle Dodge branding, and a wide windshield that gives the driver unmatched visibility. The stance is wide and stable, offering both style and confidence on the road. Now, let's step inside. The interior is where this camper truly shines. Dodge has gone all in on luxury. As you enter, you're greeted by an open, thoughtfully designed space with high-end materials throughout. Think leather-trimmed seating, real wood cabinetry, soft ambient lighting, and a layout that maximizes both comfort and utility. There's a fully equipped kitchenette featuring stainless steel appliances, a microwave, induction cooktop, and a compact refrigerator. On the road, the van delivers smooth, responsive performance thanks to its advanced suspension system and powerful drivetrain. It's quiet, refined, and equipped with all the driver assist features you'd expect from a high-end vehicle. Lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless maneuvering. Under the hood, the van delivers smooth, responsive performance thanks to its advanced suspension system and efficient yet powerful drivetrain. It's quiet, refined, and handles more like an SUV than a traditional motorhome. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Dodge Luxury Camper van starts at around $135,000, depending on trim and options. That might sound steep, but when you consider the level of comfort, safety, and technology packed into this vehicle, it's a serious value for high-end travelers who demand the best. The 2025 Dodge Luxury Camper Van is more than just a van. It's a statement. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this van is built to elevate your journey every step of the way. If you're serious about travel without sacrificing comfort, this might just be the perfect option for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.